and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today, well, first off, I have the whitest shirt on in the world, right? And that's because it's my Metabase swag that I got for doing that Metabase video, which was kind of fun to do. And it kind of shows like here's how you do things in Power BI, here's how you do the same kind of thing in Metabase, right? So that was fun to do. But no, but really the topic for today is so my son comes to me last night, and he's like, "Hey, I think I know why this Adam Saxton guy hates your guts." I'm like, "What? What did I do?" And he's like, "Just search through his YouTube comments for Greg." And I'm like, I'm like, "No, no." So yeah, you do that. You go in here and you search Greg, and he shows me that. I'm like, "Oh no." I'm like, "Oh, like, guys." I it almost makes me feel bad for the guy, almost. He's having to deal with my BS. I'm not even giving them BS. It's other people invoking my name, giving him BS, right? It's like, oh no, guys. You guys are gonna think this is dumb, but like, I never even considered that anything that I say on this channel ever goes beyond this channel, right? I don't know why, but I always just figured this was like kind of like a what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas kind of channel, right? But no, no, you guys are out there. It's like, oh, he actually addressed this two months ago. The fabric is basically a license. Like, oh man. So like you can actually like go here. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but we don't want to listen to it. It's saying that the absolute dumpster fire filled with bugs, and these features are really bandages for the problem is that Spark notebooks, it's an unstructured mess. Where is my name in here somewhere? Oh, here it is. Oh, it's not even close to world class. Hell, it's even being ridiculed by former MVP like Brent Ozar and Greg Declan. Yeah, that's all true. Oh man, you guys. You guys are getting me in trouble, man. Addressed this 2 months ago. Oh my God. He just did the yo. Dude, okay, I just want to say something about this yo. And about whether I'm the a-hole for pointing out that it's cringe, right? It I don't think I'm the a-hole. I think these people have friends and family and coworkers, right? They have friends and family and coworkers. Not a one of them could just tell them like, dude, that's cringe. Stop doing that, right? It's like so basically it's like allowing somebody to walk around with their fly down, right, at work, right? Your coworkers walking around with their fly down. Not one of you, not one of you can not one person that these individuals work with can be like, yo, dude, your fly's down, right? I mean, what is going on? These people must be the loneliest individuals in the entire world. They have nobody that cares for them enough to like tell them, dude, your fly's down, or what you're doing is cringe, right? That's again almost makes you feel sad. Declar actually addressed this. The game changer 2 months ago was a feature 4 years ago. Yeah, they kind of improved it or whatever. It's true. Do you agree with Microsoft hates Greg that Fabric is basically just a licensing bundle? I hate it so much. Anyway, do you agree with Microsoft hates Greg? Fabric is just a licensing bundle. Oh, it's actually from Guy in a Cube. I 100% disagree with that sentiment. Oh, really? The integration of OneLake. What, did, what is OneLake? That can power all the engines with one copy of the data, as well as virtualize other data sources via shortcuts, including other clouds, is seriously game changing. I very much. What does OneLake have to do with it? I, wait a minute. So by this logic, then because Dynamics 365 for sales and Power Apps and Power Automate all store information in the Dataverse, then Microsoft could draw a circle around those products and say, we're going to call this product cloth, right? And then, so we have this cloth product, but it's not a licensing bundle because they all use Dataverse as a central. That makes no sense at all. Like, that doesn't make any sense. One Lake, what? That's so Microsoft Office, where you bundle Word, Excel, and PowerPoint and that sort of stuff, that's not a bundle because they all store files on a file system. It's, I mean, you do realize that like Azure Data Factory is available not within Fabric, it's outside of Fabric. So therefore, and Azure SQL databases are available outside of Fabric, but you also have them in Fabric. So by definition, they are bundled into Fabric, right? I mean, there's nothing. Okay, data warehouse, right? You have the lake house. You don't have to use them together, right? Just because they store stuff in one lake makes them not a bundle. I am seriously concerned that people are like the AIs are dumber for having trained on this guy's content. I mean, this is sad. That's sad. That is the guy's either an idiot, which I don't believe, right? Or they're just bald-faced lying and they knowingly lying, right? Or they're delusional, right? That's just wow. Well, anyway, I think that's probably a pretty good place to end. So that's all I had for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.